What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the Rolex Hulk. I got this watch last week. I wore it for about 4 days and I wanted to keep it as my personal watch. I've never had one before and I freaking love this thing. It is a super cool watch. It sold and now it's on its way to its new owner, so I'll have to make a video. Most of the watches that have come in, the Gold Submariner, Panda, Black Daytona, I've had maybe 6 pieces that have came in and have sold before I can make a YouTube video. The process of making a YouTube video for me, because I do my own editing, is very lengthy. Most of everything will make it to Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please make sure to give me a follow. I post on my story like what I have incoming, and if you want to buy it right there and then, I'll give you a really good price to just get the watch sold and move on. So if you guys want, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link in the description and then also right here. And I hope to see you guys there. Today, what am I wearing? I'm currently wearing, let's see if you can see it, Yachtmaster 40, rose gold, two-tone. This is a watch that is for sale. I'm selling it below retail, so hit me up on Instagram. With that being said, let's jump into the Rolex Hulk, the unboxing, my impressions, because I did wear it for about a week, and go from there. So usually this Rolex Hulk will come in a regular size box, a smaller one, because it's a stainless steel piece. I happen to have it in a precious metal box, which is fine. It just becomes a bit more pain to store. Nice dust cloth. Date. Check this out. See if I can zoom in for you guys. I don't have any natural lighting today because the sun is not out. But this dial is probably one of the coolest looking dials I've ever seen. Like, it's actually stunning how much the color changes in light. This watch is actually from 2014, unpolished, and you could see it was just maintained meticulously. It's almost like it was a safe queen. So when I saw this watch get posted, I picked it up for myself, and of course somebody else bought it from me. But I was very happy with just keeping this watch. So this is a 40mm piece compared to the Starbucks. Nowadays it's 41. Let's take a look and see how this looks on my wrist. All right, check this out. This is the Rolex Hulk discontinued, 40mm. I have about a 6.5, 6.6 inch wrist diameter. And it just fits like a dream. It is honestly a very cool watch. If you've been thinking about getting one, and you don't like the new Starbucks, but you want a green watch, you gotta go Hulk. I think the Starbucks is maybe more daily usable with the black dial, but I gotta be honest, in most lighting, you can't tell. This will actually appear darker unless someone's really looking at it, and if they do look at it and they notice it's a Hulk, I mean, how cool is that, right? And one of the things I love about Submariners specifically is their glide lock system. Being able to adjust this watch so easily. You know, it's meant for you to wear over a wetsuit, but just the easy adjustability. And I know mostly the sport models have the Easy Link, but I mean, this is just so much more adjustment. It's pretty awesome. I don't have a Starbucks with me today. I have one incoming tomorrow. Unfortunately, that this Hulk will be gone, or else I would have made a side-by-side video. But as far as, can you feel the difference in size? Again, because I've had both and I've worn both, I personally can. I'm a 40mm watch kind of guy, and I know it's the smallest difference, but like this wears like a Pepsi or a Batman. The only difference is this case size is a little bit larger because it's meant for diving. But I personally feel this watch wears super well. And I would, you know, personally, as far as me having a Submariner as a personal collection, I would personally go Hulk over Starbucks. So there you have it. This is the Hulk. I'll put the technical specs up, or at least I should have already done that for you guys. Let's jump out and wrap this video up. All right, and we're back out, and you can see it here. Well, let's see if I can give you a better view. But yeah, this is probably one of my favorite watches that I've worn, which is awesome because after having and trying on so many, I'm able to kind of really figure out what I like. And a Hulk is one of those watches. Now, obviously, you're gonna get the rest of the stuff, your warranty booklets, your manual, things like that. Let me see where your chronometer hang tag and your barcode, as well as your links. Now, not every watch will come with a barcode. I do know some ADs in other countries, they don't, correct me if I'm wrong, but specifically Canada, if I ever buy a watch from Canada, even if it's like somebody who just got it from an AD, it doesn't come with a barcode. So don't freak out, just kind of know that some countries have their own protocols for Rolex and etc. Anyways, I do hope you guys join me on Instagram. It's very difficult to make YouTube videos often, but once we get enough followers on Instagram, I do want to do lives and things like that where you guys can question and answer, kind of things like that. I can pop on, pop off, post stories, and it's just a lot more engagement as far as stories go. If I post a story on YouTube, it doesn't get the same engagement, and I can't just casually post things on YouTube. It's much more difficult. So hopefully you guys do follow me on Instagram. Again, this is the Hulk. If you guys have any questions, do send me a DM on Instagram or email me, and sort of any questions you guys have. Anyways, with that being said, thank you guys so much for joining today's video. Yachtmaster 40, Hulk, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.